Okay, welcome to this video tutorial. We are going to be creating a zoom effect using a scope or lens and just a random design. So I'm going to drag my design into my workspace. Okay, so I'm going to place it appropriately so it fits into my canvas. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is duplicate it by hitting Ctrl J. Then I'll head over to this rectangular marquee tool and right click and select elliptical marquee tool. Alright, so I'm going to create a circle, but you notice there's a distortion, so Ctrl Z, just hold down Shift and drag. Then release it once you've gotten the desired circle. So release it. Alright, so with this selected, head over to Filter, Distort, Spherize. So this is the amount of zoom effect you want. So I'm going to set my own to 100 and click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, there's a zoom effect already. So if you want the zoom effect to be even more, go back to Filters and click on Spherize. You can now double it or just add a little more zoom effect. So let's just add something like 10% and click on OK. Alright, so this is looking odd if you leave it this way. So I'm going to go back to this workspace and grab the scope. I'll drag and drop into my workspace. Now I'll make sure the edges of the scope fits the zoom effect I created. So I'll just drag this like this. And that's just it. You can use your arrow keys to make final adjustments. So as you can see, there's a zoom effect. So now let's look at the before and after. I'll group this and name it zoom. Okay, so let's check the before and after. Before and after. So you can see this can be applied to your design. This effect can be applied to your design. You can, adjust it to whichever way suits you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.